हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज करें एक्सरसाइज नंबर 97, रन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक। टॉपिक कंजंक्शंस। यहाँ पर है फिल इन द ब्लैंक इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस विद एन अप्रोप्रिएट कंजंक्शन। आपको कंजंक्शन इसमें भरने हैं। 3 and 3 make 6. Is his name Sen or Gupta? He will not come if rains. Unless you run, you will not overtake him. He is very rich, yet he is not happy. Until I return, stay where you are. He was punished, for he was guilty. He behaved as a brave man should do. There is no doubt that the earth is round. I wonder when he will come. He is witty, though vulgar. Will you kindly wait till I return? Karim is tall, but Abdul is taller, or Karim is tall and Abdul is taller. He lost his balance and fell off the bicycle. He tried hard, but did not succeed. Is this my book or yours? Water and oil will not mix. They left as we returned, or when we return. The vase will break if you drop it. I shall not go out now. It is raining very heavily. Or you can write, because it is raining very heavily. Trains run from the station every few minutes, so we shall not have to wait. Or, and we shall not have to wait. Man proposes, but God disposes. Time and tide wait for no man. Virtue ennobles, but vice degrades. This or that must suffice. The train was derailed, but no one was hurt. She rides slowly, but neatly, or and neatly. I believe him as he is truthful, or because he is truthful. You will not get the prize unless you deserve it. Send for me when you want me, whenever you want me, if you want me. Hari will do all right if he perseveres. Catch me if you can. He told me that you had arrived an hour ago. You will never succeed unless you try. If I were you, I would keep quiet. Wait till I come. Be just and fear not. Tell me whether you understand. We will come, whether it rains or not. Make hay while the sun shines, or when the sun shines. It is a long time since we last saw him. Please write as I dictate. It is hoped till all will go well, or until all will go well. Give me, 43rd, the answer will be, it is hoped that all will go well. Give me neither property nor riches. He is taller than I. Since I cannot get away, I will go next week. Since you wish it, it shall be done. Because why is our food so sweet? Because we earn before we eat. Take heed lest you fall. He gazed so long that both his eyes were dazzled. While there is a life, there is a hope. Walk on till you come to the gate, or until you come to the gate. They say that he is better. I have been in such a pickle since I saw you last. His plans, though vast, were never visionary. Some people live so that they may eat. He went as I came, or when I came, or before I came, or you can say after I came. He will starve before he will steal. There were more people than we had expected. If there is something to be done, the world knows how to get it done. Though I grant his honesty, I suspect his memory. Instead of though, you can use although also. Though I am poor, I am not dishonest. Although no one knows where he went. Come, when you please, whenever you please, if you please. Do as you are bidden. He must have passed this way, as there is no other road, or because there is no other road. Though respected, or although respected, he is not liked. We all know that sin and sorrow go together. I don't know if he will be here or whether he will be here. Grievances cannot be redressed unless they are known. We shall fail unless we are industrious. Though it was late, we decided to set out. Although it was late, we decided to set out. I am well, but I do not feel very strong. If he is there, I shall see him. How can he buy it if he has no money? Though you are not ready, we must go on. Although you are not ready, we must go on. The building has been raised since I visited the city. Thou not sleep, lest thou come to poverty. Bled so profusely that he died. I know you better than he does. ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज जो कि काफी लॉन्ग थी, 80s में लगभग सेंटेंसेस दिए हुए हैं. आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में.